Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a really clean pickup? This might be the one. This is a 2012. This is the Dodge Ram 2500 with the Cummins 6.7 liter motor. Stock number is T20254B. Take notice of the exterior condition on this imperfect video walk around. This truck does come equipped with heated door mirrors, heated seats, even a heated steering wheel. Gotta come check that out. Nice rims and tires. Love the side steps on this. Just a good looking pickup. Very clean interior rear, as you can tell. And who doesn't like a good Cummins? Power seats, easy access to all the controls up front, within arm's length, as you're going to see in just a second. Super clean pickup. Nice wood grain interior. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. You know this truck will not last long. For more info, give us a call, email us, text us right now. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.